I'm going on Omegle. I'm never going on Omegle again.
Well, let me get this straight. You think that killing those guys is funny?
I do. And I'm tired of pretending it's not.
Hey, can I borrow a pencil?
Oh, I'm so sorry. This is my only one right now. I'm sorry about that. So sorry. That is so weird. Where did that come from?
For pens, I'm gay. Yeah, thank you.
Oh my god, I'm so excited to watch the Grinch musical.
Oh, I didn't. Oh, I'm.
Walt, you there.
He don't belong in the trash though.
Excuse me, citizen. Let me see your identification. Absolutely, citizen.
Oh no, yeah.
Good.
Oh my gosh. Whoa. He gonna.
Let's calm down. Let's calm down.
What is your favorite celebrity interview moment?
Now, the problem is because you go up the bridge and you're up there for a little while, so you're not allowed to go to the bathroom. So you have to go before you go, because if you need to go while you're up there, you're in trouble. Where's your...
See, Elma wears no clothes, so you just go.
Now, I would love to see some...
You know what color yellow and red makes? Orange. That's terrible.
We should be worried if we see orange fur. I think that's all we need to know. Oh, you know what you should do? You should go to the...
What should Elmo do?
You should go to the Opera House. I would love to see you at the Opera House, because I would pay to see you sing.
But what were you doing?
I was making a TikTok.
Oh my god, I'm so embarrassed of you.
Oh, it's for TikTok.
Oh no! Milan, no! Milan, get over here! Milan, no!
Hey, I had a question. I had a question.
What?
I had a question about number 7.
What's the problem?
I don't really understand the wording.
Okay, let's see. Which one? This one?
Yeah.
It says, who is geography? What do you think that means?
It doesn't make sense. Like, how can geography be anyone?
Okay, you're close. You're close.
Isn't this a math test?
Keep thinking about that. Keep thinking about that.
So I'm leaving the store and I'm checking out because I bought a drink for myself, and the lady goes, "Do you need a bag?" And in my head, I say these two things at the same time. I'm good and I'm okay. I look this poor woman dead in the eyes and go, I'm gay. She had, what are you supposed to say to that? What the fuck, what am I supposed to say? What is she supposed to say? And then I just said nothing. I just left this, I literally said nothing. I paid and I left. I had the courage to come out to this woman in public and she said nothing. It reeks of homophobia.
I have the 15th, the 10 commandments.
Hi, come in. Hi, yeah, Miss Sanders told me you came to see me because you feel a bit depressed. Oh, yeah. Well, what I do when I'm depressed is I love to smile. Have you tried smiling more? No? Okay. Well, I've got this leaflet if you'd like to take it. Yeah. Oh, you know what, actually, I think I might just have just the thing for you. Give me a second. It might seem crazy what I'm about to say.
I don't need you. I mean, look at this tree. It's as big as my schlong. I really don't need you, okay? So, you're ugly and disgusting.
Well, I have a proposition for you. If you
I don't want to hear it. Bye.
If you say, I'll give you some Gucci.
What did you say?
I said, I'll give you some Gucci.
I'm not interested. Goodbye. Farewell.
Oh, he makes me so mad. What am I gonna do, Rihanna?
Give him some hairy Gucci.
Wait. Let me think. Aiden. My Gucci's also... Wait, Aiden. My Gucci is hairy.
Wait, really? I like the sound of that.
Yes. And you're like...
Okay, wait. I think we can work something out.
Just wait. And Rihanna's in on it too.
Oh, no.
Yes! 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 How does he always get it? How does he always know?
Man, I deal with this shit at work every day.
Really? I don't. Sir? What the fuck do you want? What? Are you alright?
Roses are red. This app is fun.
Describe yourself in 5 words. One hot motherfucking nun.
So somebody posted this picture of Noah Centipede. Centipede. This person on Twitter posted that he's the sexiest man alive. This man is in a trash can. Someone said, why is there ice in there? Someone said it's an ice bath, which is what athletes do. And okay, that's a good explanation, but the hard nipples. And the caption. What are we not forgetting? He got the puffy pair of nipples. This man looks like Big Ant's neck. But hey, all the Noah stands, don't come for me, okay? I'm just saying that the picture in the comments and me weak.
Now, what happens if I change the pitch?
Oh, I'm scared.
Okay, y'all, I don't really know the song, but I'ma try my best, you know, to sing and hum and shit. Girl in the village doing night, Chick-fil-A, ooh, Krispy Kreme, pizza! No, for royalty, ooh, Alfredo, wee me, so excited to be. Every day, cookie! Done! Oh, shit! Burn! I'm headed for burn! Yeah, shit!
Oh! You mean the blonde girl? You had me in the first half.
So I just got home from the hospital. It is currently 3 in the morning, and none of my roommates are here, so I'm currently locked out. You know, I've been thinking a lot about death these past few minutes, and the first time I really thought about death was when I watched Rent back in 6th grade. The 525,600 minutes song really spoke to me. I've also been thinking I'll probably never be able to attend my best friend's funeral. Or like they won't be, you know, vice versa. Because either of us will be dead. So that's kind of sad. So hey, I got my glass of cereal here. Let's raise a toast to all the best friends out there. You back!
Record? Yeah. Alright, 1, 2, 3.
Where's my super suit? Honey, where is my super suit? Honey, where's my super suit?
Remember, guys, if you don't sin a little bit, Jesus died for nothing.
No, that's not it. Oh my gosh. What? Run, we're about to die.
Direct line of fire. That's the face of disappointment.
Thousands of people to vote for Lion Ted Cruz.
Trump so fast! fascist!
And Rubio's worse. And Rubio.
Sorry, wrong person. The fuck I am. And they're like, I should go to therapy, and then just fucking don't go. Me, how do I do my taxes? Public school, shut the fuck up and square dance. How are you lactose intolerant? Just tolerate it, bro. That look your mom gives you when you embarrass her in public, but she can't kill you yet. You ever stuttered so damn much you just decided to shut the fuck up? Him, I grew up in the streets. The streets.
Just did a bad thing. Fine as hell. Thick as fuck. Oh my god. That's my baby. Caroline.
Frank strats his puff. Frank gets all dressed up. Frank says cashew later. This is my favorite. Frank says cultured.
Fuck, what's the name for rot? Do you ever get like water hungry? Do you like Pasigaliti? What the fuck is that? Spaghetti? What? I don't know, you spilly. What's the word for horny, but not in a sexual way? Like, I'm horny for Halloween, but I don't want to F a pumpkin, you feel? Do you mean? Hey, you want to go chili opti? Chili what? Chili. Take your time. Chiplo 3.
Daddy, can you open my water? Why are you so sweaty?
What the fuck?
Feel like I did too much. Let's get.
Feel like I did too much. Feel like I did too.
180. Is it crazy?
Did a full 180. Crazy.
Your body rocking, your booty popping.
Your body rocking, your booty popping.
Like me, I was a girl in the village doing alright.
Like me.
I was a girl in the village doing.
Put me in your mouth, baby.
Put me in your mouth, baby.
Go right foot up, left foot slide, left foot up, right foot slide.
Right foot up, left foot slide, left foot up, right foot slide.
I like your Skechers, you like me, my Gucci shoes.
I like your Skechers, you like me, my Gucci shoes.
My bitch got a body like Alba. What up, dog? I'm the alpha. So you better watch out, bruh. And that goes for anyone around us.
If you're on Twitter, or maybe even Instagram, I don't know what's going on that app all the time. You've most likely seen this video, and I saw it a few days ago, like a day or two ago, and it's been plaguing my mind. I can't get away from it. Every thought is, whether or not something I come in contact with is a cake, and it's haunting me and I can't get away from it. So for my own peace of mind, I have decided that I'll be walking around with a knife and stabbing and cutting everything I come in contact with just to make sure that it is not a cake. So if you see me in real life or you know me, for your own safety, run the fuck away, because I'm gonna cut the fuck out of you. I don't care.
All nude? Girls, 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 girls! Girls, girls, girls! Ah!
Oh no, baby! What is you doing, baby? Oh Lord! Ah! I don't wanna be alive. I don't wanna be alive. I just wanna.
Shawty's like a melody in my...
Whoa, whoa, whoa. No, you love me. No.
Scientists were able to mimic Nessie Amun's voice by recreating his mouth and vocal cords with a 3D printer. It allowed them to produce a single sound. Sci-
I don't know why this thread has me weak, but fun fact, blueberries are the only fruit named after a color. So close, that's a shape. Guys, you forgot about blueberries. Okay, they also forgot blackberries. Black isn't a color. What about raspberries? Green beans? Lemon? Oranges, green beans, blackberries, and yes, black is a color, but blueberries are purple, not blue. Fruit, green bean, means they're a color. Blueberries aren't blue, they're purple. Blue isn't a color. I'm sorry, you just should have told me that blue isn't a color. I have another fun fact that y'all love. Every stupid people. Stop. The reading comprehension on this.
I'm Bruce Soul. Daddy, I want another pony. Daddy, I want a baby squirrel. I'm Violet Beauregard. I'm the World Junior Gum Champion. See this here? I've been chewing it for 3 months straight. That's a record. Ow! Tomato soup running down my throat! Baked buttery crispy flaked potato! 'Cause I'm a winner. Let's be friends. Best friends.
I told you to keep your hooves off my wife.
Open your eyes, moron. You're only a sponge, and I am a powerful alicorn genius.
I'm not scared. You may be powerful. But I will end this with a fight.
Look who you're dealing with.
Encourage him, guys.
Come on, SpongeBob. He ain't facing this alone.
Tell you.
Huh.
Thanks, RD.
Don't mention it. Brimbo, you gotta get the crystal and we gotta tear it at the other end. They gotta let's go out. Okay, SpongeBob, drop off.
Got it.
My speakers can get really loud in my car, and one song I like to play on full volume is probably Let It Grow from the Lorax.
You greeted dirtbag! Let it grow, let it grow, let the love inside you show.
I've got it. Perfect hold. That's what we want.
I really don't want to do this.
Wow. All right, everyone just take a moment to soak this in. That is an enormous hornet.
No shit.
Look at its abdomen pulsating. And you look at the mandibles, those are used for chomping. I think I may also take a bite during this video as well, which I'm kind of afraid of.
I'm so
if you
scared.
zoom in on the legs, you can see that they have these little hooks. They almost look like grappling hooks. And one thing that also scares me, there is the chance it's gonna latch onto my arm and sting more than once.
Oh, great. You can sting me too?
I can't stop my hand from shaking. All right, you guys ready?
Dude, really,
1,
we don't have to do this. It's just ratings.
2,
Come on, dude.
3.
No.
Ah!
Oh, hell
Oh, this
no.
thing's stuck in my arm.
Nope.
Oh!
Nope. Moron.
A dingle hopper. Scuttle! Scuttle! Sebastian! But Daddy, I love him. I wish I had legs.
Cops! Run! 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 Run for your lives! Run! Oh my God!
Attention Kroger shoppers. The time is currently 10:30 and at this time the store will be closing in just half an hour. At this time we ask that you please bring your remaining items up to the front. And as always, thank you for shopping with your Richmond Kroger.
I can't believe you picked that up!
Oh my God, I'm
No! I can't believe it picked that up! Oh my God! Oh no! It didn't hear me sigh. It heard me go. Ugh. Oh my God! They got all the miniatures left. Yes, they got all the miniatures left. Oh my God! Oh my God!
Alright, welcome to Wendy's. What can I get for you?
Hi, can I just get 2 junior bacon?
Giant by giant!
Junior bacon cheeseburgers?
Yeah.
Okay.
And that will be all.
What a fucking pussy.
I haven't seen you all summer.
I've been busy.
You know, Baljeet said something funny. He said you had a crush on me back in grade school.
Oh, yeah. I had a big crush on you.
Wow, I had no idea.
Really? I thought I was being so obvious.
Absolutely clueless. Sorry.
I sort of gave up when we got to high school.
Yeah, I think that's when I started having a thing for you.
Nicki Minaj, is that you? Nicki, let's go to the beach. Let's go get away. They say what they gonna say. Grab a drink, click. Nicki, Nicki Minaj!
Astronauts get back from the space station, it usually takes them a while to get adjusted to life on Earth.
Launch on the Soyuz is amazing, quite a bit different from the shuttle. You know, the Soyuz is a bit more like,
You know, with the whole gravity thing.
sorry. The Soyuz actually is a bit shaped like this pen and goes up straight up through the atmosphere. Now, you know, you've got the space station right up there.
Forget about gravity.
It's gravity.
To the individual who dedicated their entire Instagram page to finding out who I was dating, and then came to the conclusion that I was dating Noah Beck, and then posted these photos on their Instagram. They literally have Noah Beck edited to stare at my ass. I regret to inform you, babe. 1, I'm not dating Noah Beck. And 2, Noah Beck is with Dixie D'Amelio. So I just want to know, like, how you stumbled upon, like, this conclusion. Anyways, it was a really cute try, but you were wrong.
Okay, you guys, stitch this and show me a movie moment that's supposed to be sad but made you laugh really hard.
No.
Yes!
No.
Why not? Why won't you sing?
Because singing killed my grandma, okay?
A pastor's time slot got switched with a comedian's at a Christian conference. I'm laughing so hard.
So I thought I would spare you the analysis and just go ahead and tell you up front that I'm a sinner. A man who never feels sure of his motives, including the ones I feel right now about why I'm doing this. And you're a very strange audience. I better just get used to it. This is a serious talk, in case you wonder. Get it out of your system. But I'm just not used to being laughed at, you know?
What on earth do British people say when they have a bloody nose?
What we normally say is there appears to be a leakage in the sewer pipe of my nose.
No, we don't. Don't feed their stereotypes. We just say,
I do say
I have a nosebleed.
I've
We
never
don't
said
say
that in my
there
life.
appears to be a leak, young
I
sir,
did
in
say
my
that.
nose.
I
We
said
don't
that.
say that.
What's a video that lives in your head rent-free?
Ryan, what's it look like out there?
Yeah, it looks like snow, just like I predicted in my forecast from the studio. I'm not sure why I'm out here literally looking around. It looks like snow. You could just take a video of it snowing and show that. Why do I have to be here to describe snowfall? It's pretty self-explanatory.
Seems like the cold has gotten you in an icy mood yourself, Ryan.
Okay, you know what, Shannon? I am in an icy mood, okay? Nice pun, by the way. All right, I was just standing out here for 20 minutes waiting for you guys to throw to me, and I was just, doing some thinking. I spent $120,000 on a degree and 4 years in college to come out here and look around and describe what I see. I literally learned that in kindergarten. I Spy.
I guess I'm just too tough to cry.
I'm headed straight for the floor.
Don't tase me, that shit stings. My safe word is pineapple juice.
Bring your ankles up to your butt.
Swap man, what's my safe word?
Bring your ankles up to your butt.
That's how far I go. You think I'm in Pilates? Ah! What you doing? Ooh, oh, that's cute. Oh, watch your hands, boy. Don't do that. That's my lighter. It don't work. Don't do drugs, kids. Those are my quarters. You want to put those in your pocket? That is change. You know how long it took me to acquire those? Some of those are limited edition. Well, that's my flash drive. Don't look at it unless you want to see Big D. That's my wallet. You have no. Ooh. He's strong. Every strong man got a sensitive side. You like doing the weird shit? What's your safe word? Ooh, you need help? I'll hold my boot for you. Hey, real talk though, in my car.
What is your favorite celebrity interview moment?
Is filming a movie about space great because you get to wear socks all the time?
Oh my god, it totally is! It's 100%!
Oh my god, you
totally... I remember that.
Oh my god,
it's the only time I've ever done a movie where...
a onesie and socks!
It's like the only time I've ever done a movie where at the end of the day I'm like, can I just go home in this? I'm good in this.
Best question ever, by the way. And for dudes making movies, it's like you put on a wardrobe, all this stuff is like so, and I mean, obviously look at what he's wearing, but the thing is like, like when you just get to come to work and you put on like one thing that zips up your socks, you put on shoes, it's so true.
Is your comfort random obscure YouTube video?
3, 2, 1, go. Fast, sharp right. Fast, sharp right. Sharp right. Sharp right. Listen. Sammy, you have to listen to my call, Sammy, please. Medium left. Medium left. Medium left. Listen to my calls. Medium left into sharp left. You're not concentrating, Sammy. You're watching out the driving. Sammy, you will wreck the car. We will not finish. You have to stay on road, Sammy, please. Okay. Oh, fuck. Sammy, what are you doing, man? Fucking hell. Sammy, can you please concentrate? Please, I beg you. We are wrecking the car. Oh. Sammy, you are wrecking the car. Shut up. Sammy, what are you doing, my friend? Shut up. Don't tell me how to drive.
This is very random, but like, what if medicine was pronounced the same way that fettuccine is pronounced? You're not feeling good? You should take some medicine.
Hola, clase. Muy bien, muy bien.
Oh my god, I think Jack is choking. I think Jack is choking.
No hablo inglés en mi clase.
No, like he can't breathe.
En español.
No, ayuda, necesito ayuda. Or...
Not quite.
Can we call 911?
Yes, Catherine? I have a question with number 4. Why are you making a face? I'm not making a face. Why? Do you like it? No. I'm just kidding. Are we about to kiss right now? No, I can't. That's illegal. But, you know, it's funny. The word illegal. What defines what's illegal? Is it the law? Yes. Or our hearts? The law one. No. Get the fuck away from me.
I feel like people don't abuse the power of free will, like, as much as they should. Like, nothing is stopping you from going into a store and doing this. Hey, I need to buy this now. Yeah, I need to buy this now. Bring it up. I need to buy that item, please. I need to buy that item. Come on, please. Bring it up. Ah!
His penis is in her! His dick is throbbing!
Mike Wazowski. Mike Pussy Sting.
So welcome to my apartment. It's on fire. I live here.
Okay, building's on fire.
I swear to God, I hate every single person in this damn school. What about—
I have a question about Christian music. Why is it that every song about Jesus sounds like they want to be topped by him? Oh Lord Jesus, come inside of me and lift my spirits high.
Okay, I get it. I'm pretty. Yes, Violet, you are pretty. On the outside. And literally, on the inside of you, are the dead bodies of animals who died begging for their lives. I'm not okay with it. Your vegan phobia is not pretty. Go vegan.
Are you fucking serious? What happened to you as a child?
I'm gonna show you love, maniac, sick bitch, psychopath, but I'm gonna show you.
This is a bully-free zone. Bullying? Not right now. Think before you speak. If you bully, you're a gaylord. Some people are gay. Get over it. Say no to bullying.
Footprints in the sand, but then you turn around and see another set, because Jesus was with you all along.
My name's Amy.
You said forever, now I drive past your street.
This is your sign to put random pics of your friends with music on your story with no context.
I need some wet shit, I need some bad.
This ain't no cheated. When she make that bounce, think I love her.
Big stupid ragged ass. You got.
Okay, so I meant to refer to this in December because of Christmas and it made sense, but now it's January and that's fine. But there's this clip from this cartoon, I don't know what it is, but at the end of the cartoon, there's this kid that's like, "Oh, great grandma, you know just what to say." And then the grandma laughs like this. It's Christmas. I'm gonna try to find the clip, but like, can somebody tell me the actual name of like the show?
You always know just what to say. Christmas.
I know the whole thing about Matthew Morrison being evil is a joke, but every single day I discover a video that makes me believe that there is something else at work, such as...
Y'all, my college had ice skating night, right? And look at this shit. It's plastic.
Put out the pink
They make too much money for them to be this broke. Give me my tuition back.
Oh man, it says please do not touch the gumballs. Why are they there then?
Let me tell you about my day. I had a Zoom call, and we had to do an icebreaker of 2 truths and a lie, so immediately I start thinking, what are my truths, what are my lies? And this is a hard one for me because a lot of the truths I tell myself in life are in reality lies. So I'm trying to come up with them, and of course they can sense my panic, so they ask me to go first. I say, sure, of course, but I'm panicked, I don't know what to say, so I say, okay, say your lies first. So I say, I've met the Queen of England, I speak 3 languages, and I sing opera. But then I realize I'm done. I've said 3 things. And everything I've said, but in my I was so focused on the lie that I've now said my 3 things and they're all lies. So now comes the moment when people are trying to figure out what's true and what's a lie, and I'm sitting there doing the same thing. So they say, Dutch, what's your lie? And I'm thinking logically, I go, okay, well, you repeated Spanish 4 times, so obviously you wouldn't speak, 3 languages. So I say that's my lie. So now everybody in the Zoom call is probably thinking like, okay, wow, that's insane, or he's a pathological liar. I'm gonna be reflecting here for a while.